In today's video, I'll show you how to cancel your subscription on Dropbox Sign quickly and easily. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Dropbox Sign website. Log into your account using the email and password linked to your subscription. If you have trouble signing in, use the password recovery option to regain access. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Inside the Settings area, find and open the Billing tab. This section displays your current plan details and payment information. On the billing page, look for the option to manage your plan. Under your subscription details, you'll see an option to cancel your plan. Click on it to begin the cancellation process. Dropbox Sign may ask you to confirm your decision or show information about when your subscription will officially end. Follow the on-screen steps and confirm the cancellation. After completing the process, you should receive a confirmation email letting you know your subscription has been successfully cancelled. That's it. You've now cancelled your Dropbox Sign subscription. If you ever need the service again, you can reactivate or choose a new plan at any time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.